The only thing we know for a fact that affects sperm is the seasons, is temperature. That means, the hotter the temperature, the lower the sperm counts. There's a seasonal variation.
Well, and why is that? I mean, is it the actual heat that's going on that's affecting sperm production, or?
Don't know. It's a good question. I don't know, but we know.
I remember telling guys that they shouldn't sit in a hot tub.
That's correct. Well, the testicles are outside the body because they need to be cool. If you take your testicles and dunk it in a hot jacuzzi at 105 degrees, like a tea bag into hot water, well, your testicles are going to suffer, and your sperm count will be hampered. So we know that's the only thing that affects our sperm. So we do know that there are seasonal variations in sperm counts. And then I did a study on birth rates and sperm counts and found that birth rates in a community are affected by sperm counts over like a 20-year period. That means, you would think that sperm counts in a population stay the same. They don't. They go up and down. Then I looked at global temperature changes for the past 95 years exactly, from 1900 to 1995, and then the newer research later. But when I published the study, I looked at global temperature change and sperm counts, global temperature change and birth rates. And Aaron, guess what we found? We found an inverse relationship between birth rates and sperm counts, which means, we talk about global warming, that, everything gets hotter, but there are some times during this century where temperatures actually decline. In fact, they declined from 1940 to like 1950, during the World War II and slightly after. When we saw that, it turned out birth rates went up. So, and of course, when temperatures went up, birth rates went down. So it was a jigsaw. So every time, a global temperature changes went down, birth rates went up. So remember, we talk about the baby boom period after World War II? Well, it turns out that the baby boom actually started during World War II. So, and demographers who try to explain these things don't have an answer for it. Well, I do. I hypothesize that global warming is really, and global temperature change affects sperm counts.